Good morning, my gorgeous lash tribers. I am still here in Sydney, Australia. I'm just standing in the bathroom with the biggest ring light there is. It's amazing. I just wanted to give you a very quick tip for the morning. No, too bright, and go back. For the morning, before I'm heading out to another couple of days of wealth and business growth workshops, which I've been doing here in Sydney for the last 3 days or 2 days. So there's only three ways that you can actually grow your business and make more money. The first one is to get new customers. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory, but that is also the most expensive part. So if you're trying to acquire new customers, then you probably have to put some money in ads, and you have to go out and introduce yourself. So it costs money and time to get new clients. And the second one is you raise your prices, and I know that a lot of you are a little bit scared to raise their prices, but if you want to make more money without wanting to get new customers, you can raise the prices for your existing customers or clients. However, you know, depending on where you are and what sort of price point you're at the moment, usually clients don't care for $5 or $10 raise. But hi Sherry, but if you're raising like exponentially, then you may have some clients drop off, but you will also have some new clients coming in. They're the more high-end clients that appreciate your prices a little bit more than the people beforehand. And you know, if you're really cheap already, then you probably don't have that really high-end clientele. And so the people that are more the cheapies, they will probably drop off. That's number two, yeah? Number three is sell to your existing clients. Sell more to your existing clients, yeah? Instead of just raising your prices, have you emailed your old customer list? Like, when was the last time that you actually picked up your phone or text messaged or emailed all of your customers or clients that you haven't seen in over 6 months? I dare you now, and let me know how it goes underneath. Hello, Olivia. Hello, Renee. And hello, Angie. Lauren. Sherry? Oh, Sherry. I already said hello, didn't I? So, like, do me a favor and sit down right now. Whatever you're doing after this video, stop. Take 5 minutes and write an email. Hey, so-and-so, how are you? I'm just, you know, emailing you to check up on everything, how your lashes are going. Just letting you know that we're still here and we would love to see you again soon. Take care. And then your salon name, yeah? Or something similar. It doesn't have to be like that. Don't try and sell anything to them. Don't offer them a special or an offer or anything like that. Just stay in contact with them and email them or text message them. Or Facebook Messenger. Messenger is actually much better because the open rate is much better than with email. So if you have your clients on your email list, that's fine. Email them. If you have your clients on your messenger list, even better. And if you have their phone number, like, phone number and messenger is amazing. So just message them and say, hey, how's it going? You know, we're still here. Let us know. And comment below if you get any clients from that. I can promise you, you will. Even if it's just one. For 5-minute work, a couple of $100 right there, okay? Hi, Julie, and hi, Janice. How are you? So again, just to repeat for those who are just joining in, 3 ways you can grow your business and make more money. The first one is to acquire new clients. The most expensive because you have to put money into advertising and you have to use your time, yeah? Second one is to raise your prices to your existing clients. Some may drop off and you will have new ones coming in that are a little bit more high end. And the third one, which is the easiest one that I always teach everybody straight up, is to just email your existing clients that you haven't seen in a while. And that is all I wanted to say. I'm going to go for breakfast now. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. I will show you again. It's a beautiful day. Great advice. I always do this. Take charge and get what you want. That is exactly right. So with that being said, have an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Bye.